When Hurricane Maria occurred, I don't think there was a Puerto Rican in the United States that slept the night before. I remember coming into work and all of my staff just kind of being like, what do? We have to do something. Because the truth is, no one was prepared for Hurricane Maria, and that's not even Puerto Rico. Our community wasn't prepared for what was going to come because we already had the mass exodus for the financial crisis in Puerto Rico. So those were 100-hour weeks for a long time for myself and my very short staff. You know, we had to organize pretty quickly, and we did the best we could. And we really dedicated a lot of time to not only responding to the hurricane relief efforts for Puerto Rico, the island, but also for all of our new constituents who moved to Syracuse and likely would be calling it their new stomping grounds.